Now, I've been recommending a lot of music, a lot of things I listen to, whether it's an audiobook or music while I ride. Now, a lot of you have made some complaints about this because number one, let's go through it. Number one, it's actually a safety hazard to be listening to headphones while you ride. You can't hear the cars around you, so it's actually it's a safety concern. So if you have to, if you really need to listen to something, put at least one ear in, take the other one out, okay? That's the number one safety issue. Now, I do this from time to time. The second thing is sometimes you just want to listen to nature. You don't want to listen to any, music and everything all the time. You want to take in the atmosphere and the environment that you're in. And sometimes it's a complete stillness and a complete quiet, and that can be absolutely relaxing and meditative while you're biking. And I 100% agree. And that's why today I'm actually going to be biking and listening to the sounds of nature. So I'm going to put my headphones in, and while I bike, in nature, I'm going to be listening to the sounds of nature. So buckle up, enjoy the ride, and let's get dangerous.